Hello everyone, I am Nilakshi Devendra Kolle. Welcome to this tutorial on Karnaugh maps, a fundamental concept of digital electronics and computer science. In this video, we will explore what is a K-map and its representation. What is a K-map? K-map is a graphical representation that provides a systematic method for simplifying the Boolean expressions. It was developed by Maurice Karnaugh in 1853. K-map is an array of cell. Each cell representation binary values of input variables. Representation of two variables. Two variable K-map consists of a 2 by 2 grid with each square representing the possible combination of two input variables a and b. The row represents the possible values of variable a and the columns represent the possible values of b. Representation of three variables. The variable K-map consists of a 2 by 3 grid with each square representing a possible combination of two input variables a, b and c. The row represents the possible values of a while the column represents the possible values of b and c. Representation of four variables. Four variable consists of 4 by 4 grid with each square representing a possible combination of four input variables a, b, c and d. The rows represent the possible values of variable a and b, while the column represent the possible values of variable c and d. Representation of POS and SOP. So first we will see what is SOP. SOP means sum of product. A sum of product expression in a logical OR of multiple AND term. For two variables A and B using a K-map, we can visualize the SOP expression, the ones in the K-map corresponding to the AND term. Now we will see what is POS. POS means product of sum. A product of sum expression is a logical AND of multiple OR term. For two variables A and B, using a K-map, we can visualize the POS expression. The zeros in the K-map corresponding to the OR term. Thank you for watching this video.